For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the wording of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a laundromat business is a practical and often profitable idea, especially in urban neighborhoods where residents lack in-home laundry facilities. While startup costs can be significant, the business model is relatively simple, relying on steady customer demand rather than trends or complex inventory. Today, with the help of free AI tools, starting and managing a laundromat business has become more accessible than ever. These tools can assist with everything from business planning and market research to location selection and customer service. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you launch your laundromat using free AI resources. The first step is to conduct detailed market research. This helps you understand your potential customers, choose the right location, and analyze the competition. Use ChatGPT to simulate local insights by asking it questions like, ChatGPT, analyze the laundromat market in Miami, Florida, focusing on low-income neighborhoods and rental communities. You can supplement this by researching census data and using free tools like Google Trends to explore laundry-related search behavior in your area. Feed this data to ChatGPT with a prompt such as summarize demographic and income data for zip code 33142 and suggest if a laundromat would be successful there. Next, develop a business plan to clarify your strategy and secure possible funding. A strong plan includes your executive summary, market analysis, pricing strategy, operations plan, and financial projections. Ask ChatGPT. Write a laundromat business plan for a self-service model targeting renters and students in a high-density urban area. You can also build each section piece by piece with prompts like, generate a marketing strategy for a laundromat in a college town using low-cost promotions. The business plan becomes your roadmap and will be especially useful if you approach banks or investors. After planning, the next crucial decision is choosing a location. AI tools can help you evaluate possible addresses. Use Google Maps to list potential locations near apartment complexes and universities. Then, paste that list into ChatGPT and ask, which of these addresses would likely perform best for a laundromat business, considering traffic, nearby competitors, and residential density? You can also use AI to simulate foot traffic scenarios. If you have neighborhood data, paste it into a tool like Poe or Claude.ai and ask for insights into population movement patterns during the week. Now you must calculate startup costs. AI can help you estimate budgets based on different business models. Prompt ChatGPT with, create a startup cost breakdown for a laundromat with 20 washing machines and 20 dryers, including rent, renovation, machines, utilities, software, and licensing. It will return a categorized estimate. You can revise it based on your local equipment suppliers and rent prices. Use ChatGPT again to generate a 3-year profit and loss projection by asking, based on $1.75 per wash and 200 customers per week, generate a financial projection for the first 3 years of a laundromat business. Once you understand the financials, you need to register your business. Free AI can help you understand the legal steps based on your location. Ask ChatGPT, what business licenses and permits are required to open a laundromat in Florida? It will usually return a checklist, including registering your business entity, applying for a sales tax certificate, and possibly obtaining health or environmental permits. You can also use AI to write your articles of incorporation or LLC operating agreement using a prompt like, write a basic LLC operating agreement for a laundromat business with 2 equal partners in Florida. After getting the paperwork in order, it's time to plan your interior layout and operations. Use a free design tool like Canva's AI-powered whiteboard to sketch the equipment layout. ChatGPT can assist with flow planning by responding to a prompt such as, design a laundromat layout that maximizes space and customer comfort in a 1,500 square feet unit. It can suggest where to place the washing machines, folding tables, waiting benches, and detergent dispensers. You can also ask ChatGPT to generate a list of equipment and quantities with maintenance tips. The next focus is marketing. Free AI tools are especially helpful here. ChatGPT can create a full marketing plan with a prompt like, generate a 6-month marketing plan for a laundromat in a low-income community with a $3,000 budget. For promotional content, ask, write a social media post announcing the grand opening of a new laundromat offering free washes for the first week. Use Canva's free templates to turn those into eye-catching graphics. You can even use ChatGPT to write flyers, Google Ads, and SMS campaigns. For example, write a Google ad for a 24-hour laundromat with free Wi-Fi and TV. Customer service is a make-or-break element. AI can help you maintain high-quality support even on a budget. Use free chatbots like Tidio or the built-in AI bot from ManyChat to create automated responses to FAQs. Train the chatbot using ChatGPT by giving it prompts like, create a set of FAQ answers for a laundromat, including hours, pricing, machine instructions, refund policy, and contact info. These bots can live on your website or Facebook page, giving customers instant answers while you focus on operations. Collecting feedback and improving your service is also critical. Use a tool like Google Forms to gather customer opinions. Then paste the results into ChatGPT with a prompt such as, summarize this customer feedback and give 3 suggestions to improve the laundromat. You can also run simple polls or questionnaires on your social media channels and use AI to interpret trends and complaints. Once your laundromat is up and running, use AI to track performance and plan improvements. You can export financial data into a spreadsheet and ask ChatGPT to analyze trends. For example, analyze this monthly revenue data and suggest ways to increase profit margins. This helps you make decisions like adjusting prices, offering loyalty programs, or adding wash and fold services. In conclusion, starting a laundromat business can be made significantly easier and smarter by using free AI tools at each stage of the process. From researching markets and writing business plans to designing the space and engaging customers, AI gives you the advantage of speed, accuracy, and affordability. While launching a laundromat still requires a financial investment and commitment to daily operations, using tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and Google Forms allows you to approach each step with greater confidence and clarity. With consistency and attention to service quality, your AI-assisted laundromat can become a stable, profitable, and scalable business. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.